Hi guys, long time no see. A new Windows Server came out, a convenient option to configure and install the storage replication using the Windows Admin Center. However, the storage replica as well as the Windows Admin Center come with new requirements. So we will first look what the new requirements are. And the prerequisites are as follows. Please read through and be sure to meet all of the requirements, please. And with Windows Admin Center, be sure that you have Windows 10 installed because it does not work on servers, and also please run it on Edge because it has problems when you run it in Chrome, and it does not work on Internet Explorer. And let's go to the tutorial. We have here Windows Server 2019. It's out. You can download it on the MSDN site or on the TechNet site or on Microsoft Evaluation site. The links to download will be down below on the video. Okay, what do we do today? We will install storage replica on the virtual machines. We will configure it and see how it works, and we will use Admin Center with it. Okay, what do we have here? Windows 19. Okay, I will run HyperV Manager. On HyperV Manager I have installed the main controller. You can see the domain is domain, and I'm logging as administrator just for the purpose of testing. Users and computers. As you can see, I added the three PCs, Windows 10, File Server 2 and File Server 1 added to the domain. We do not need the domain controller anymore. I will now start File Server 1, File Server 2 and Windows 10. If you haven't downloaded the Windows Admin Center, I recommend you to download. It's very good. It has a graphical user interface for every service to configure. It's very handy and very good. First of all, I will create with the disk manager. I create two disks. Let's log in as domain. Administrator. Password. Come. Okay, I'm in, waiting to load. Okay, first thing, I will create the partitions, run the disk management system, because we need to create partitions. Disks, computer management, disk management. I created two disks. You will need GPT guide partition table for it to work. On all the disks you will run disk 0. Okay, and disk 2 I will need. Initialize disk, GPT, new simple volume. We will call it data 1. Finish. Disk 0, new simple volume. Okay. Data 2. Finish. Okay, GPT, 2 disks, nothing more. And I will need to install rules and features. Storage replica. Storage replica is a feature. There it is. The rest that I think it will be not needed, but maybe install. File server is installing the storage replica. Let's do the same with File Server 2. Loading. Loading! Ah! And we have it here. Ah, it's needed. It will need the restart. Yay! The restart. Yay! Okay, file server 2. I will need to do the same thing. Administrator tools. Okay, computer management. Disk management. In disk management I have 2 disks. 1 and 2. Online. Online. Initialize disk 1 and disk 2, and it will be GPT. Okay. Have it done. Create simple file volume. Data 1. Simple volume. Data 2. And what do I need more? I need storage at Replica to be installed on server 2. That's a feature. Storage Replica. Do this. File server 1. All is installed. All works perfectly. Waiting to install server 2. It will restart when it installs. I will run now Windows 10. On Windows 10 I will log in as a domain admin. Hi! We are getting everything ready for you. I am an English teacher. Yay! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This might take several minutes. But I do not need that. The file server 2 is restarting. That's good. Come, 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 come. Yeah! Come, 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 come. Yeah! This might take several minutes. Do not turn off your PC. What will happen if I turn it off? Shut down? I can shut down. Okay, almost there. First thing I will need to do is download the Windows Admin Center. I have downloaded the Windows Admin Center. The link to download the Windows Admin Center is on the video below. When I run Windows Admin Center, I get the wizard for installation. I think I will get the wizard for installation. The file server to finish. Yes, it is. It's finished. Ah. Does it ever finish? Yeah, it's finished. Okay. Let's run. Preparing to install. It should be easy to install and easy to configure. It has a graphical user interface to it. You can easily access it, add servers, add PCs, whatever you want to. Use Microsoft and check updates recommended. Next. You can change the port, but I recommend that you get the default port, create a desktop shortcut for it, install. Come on, 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 come on. Extracting portal side files. Yeah! It's installed. Open Windows Admin Center. The first time you open Windows Admin Center, you have to select certificate. Be sure to select Windows Admin Center or client. Finish. It will now run. I get the system icon, Windows Admin Center. Come, 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 come. Don't be worried, the first time it will always run slow. Oh, it finishes. Skip door. I have here Windows 10.domain.com. When I click on it, it will connect to my local PC. There it is. I have now all the features, all the events, processes, registry services, and so on. I can configure any one of them, but I don't want to. I want to add the file server 1 and file server 2. Add a server connection and file server 1. Now, there it is. Submit. And I want to add the file server 2. Searching. I have now the file server 2. Submit. You can control any one of them. I can add the domain controller to it if you wish. Click on it. The domain controller is called DC. There it is. Click submit. When I click on file server 1, I get every feature and every role that is installed on file server 1, and I can control it from my Windows 10 portal or from the Windows Admin Center. There it is. When I click on storage replica, I get the storage replica. If it's not installed, you will get the message, please install storage replica or something like that. Hang on. On storage replica, you will need download and install remote server administration tools for the Windows 10. I will now download it and install it. There you go. Download. Yep. Okay. Next. I will save it on the desktop for you to see. That's all. Here it is. I will install it. Run. Preparing installation. Yes. It needs an update, a little update. You will not need to wait more. That's it. I accept. The updates are being installed. The installation is complete. For the updates to take effect, I will run again the Windows Admin Center. Sometimes you need to add the server again, but just sometimes. I will now edit file server 1. There it is. And I will edit the file server 2. If you get the message that the Windows server remote administration tools did not installed, just remove the server and connect it again, and it will be there, I hope. File server 2. A few times when I installed a role or a feature, it didn't get displayed on Windows Admin Center. Then after I removed the server like this, click on it, and click more, and you remove it, and you connect it again. Okay, now to see if the tools are installed, I I think they are. It's loading. I'm going to storage replica. Loading partnership. Okay. First of all, I will add a partnership. A partnership with the file server 1 and file server 2. When the partnership is accomplished, then we can start to replicate the storage. To take note, the storage replica is in the preview mode on the Windows Admin Center. Okay, take new compute source file name, file server 1. Always enter the source replication group name. I will name it SQL base. The source volume that you want to copy. The source log volume. I will enter here E and here I enter F. The destination, I will take file server 2. I think for you to see better, I will go here and enter full screen mode. Okay, file server 2. The replication group name, SQL base. Be sure that the name is the same, that you can know, or you can enter the name of the server and the group name like file server 2 SQL base, and you enter here file server 1 SQL base, that you can, or that you know where is it placed. Okay, destination volume E, the log volume is F. For more option, click here. You can enable synchronous replication. What is synchronous replication? You can read on my blog, or you can read down below under the video file. You can make sure how large is your log file size. It's in gigabytes and it's in bytes. Also, you can enable target seed with source file, enable encryption, and enable write consistency. I will take all by default and click create. After a couple of seconds, you will get the partnership and you will find the first record, the replication between file server 1 and file server 2. What is here for notifications? You will see new partnership in progress. File server 1. The good thing about the new storage replica on Windows Admin Center is that you have a GUI and that you see every task that is being transferred to the other side. You will also see every byte, every packet that has a problem. Everything will be written on the log files that you can administer and repair if it need to repair it. Okay, new partnership succeeded. You will get it here, but it is not yet finished. When this status is like checked, it is not yet checked, you can refresh it and you click here. So a couple of seconds you will get the file server 60 megabytes. It's replicating the storage that we have. Waiting a couple of seconds should be it. It's checked, all is good. The replication method is synchronous, file server 1 and file server 2. On the partnership details down below, you will get what is replicated, was the write consistency on, was it encrypted, synchronous, and so on. Every information that you need. On replicated volumes, you get the volumes from file server 1 and file server 2. On file server 1, when you click on the volume, you get the view performance of the disk. If the disk has any problems, any corrupt files or any corrupt bytes, you will get an error, and you will get all the network statistics if the network is not so consistent as it should. When I get back to partnership, you can click on file server here, and you will get access to the file server and you can administer the file server from it. Okay, let's back. Storage replica. What more do we have here? Just wait a second. Okay, when you click on this replication, you get on more. When you click more, you get the option to resume it or to suspend it. To switch direction, maybe you wish to go from file server 2 to file server 1, and you get the settings. What do you get in the settings? You can add more volumes. That's really good. Or you can change how it will be written. On the left side you get the modify partnership settings. When you click on it, you can change from synchronous to asynchronous. What synchronous and asynchronous is, you can read on my blog, that you get the link down below. And for the encryption, you get the encrypted or no encrypted side, and all the log files are saved in gigabytes or in bytes. For the log size, it's 8 gigabytes recommended for it. Okay, I will get back. File server. When you go to file server 2 to see how it's working, let's see. Storage replica. Just to see how it's working from file server 2. All the files now are replicated from 1 to 2. Just wanted to see what's working on file server 2, and it's everything. Okay, and there is the partnership. You can remove the partnership and all the settings I just told you. If any of you has any questions or any problems, just refer to my blog or place a comment down the video below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.